Welcome back, crypto market fam. We have some thrilling updates for you today that you won't want to miss. First off, we have some exciting news for XRP holders. According to a renowned crypto analyst and market watcher, Egrag, XRP is on the cusp of repeating historical movements, which could result in a staggering $124 price. Egrag's analysis is technical and rational, highlighting XRP's potential legal clarity as a differentiating factor from other assets. The analysis delves into the price projections for XRP, employing trading proverbs and historical patterns. Egrag identifies a critical Fibonacci level of 1.618 at the $10 price, implying that XRP has the potential to surge to $10, possibly riding the wave of bullish sentiment. Next, we have some news on the regulatory front. Berenberg recently released a research report suggesting that stablecoins and decentralized finance are likely to become the next target in the US SEC's crackdown on the crypto industry. The SEC may focus on bringing stablecoins, including Tether and USD Coin, and DeFi protocols into regulatory compliance. Berenberg says that if USDC is targeted by US regulators, the impacts on Coinbase revenue could be significant. And finally, we have some exciting news on ETFs. BlackRock's Spot Bitcoin ETF has renewed optimism and sparked a wave of new filings. Investment managers WisdomTree and Invesco have filed for Spot Bitcoin ETFs, hot on the heels of BlackRock. The Spot Bitcoin ETF, which uses professional custodians and other service providers, removes the need for investors to rely on loosely regulated offshore vehicles, allowing for investors to more readily protect their principal investments in Bitcoin. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with others who are also interested in the latest crypto updates. See you next time.